Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel or give this video a thumbs up. Don't also forget to share my content with your family and loved ones. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this hair butter. Oh my goodness, you can't wait to see what this product is gonna turn out to be. This butter we are about to make improves hair 10 times better than any product you have ever seen or tried yourself. I tell you guys, just keep watching along and you will see what we are going to make. I tell you, it is magical in growing your hair so fast. Oh my goodness, just wait and see what this would turn out to be. All right, keep watching and please don't forget to hit the notification button to always receive notification to my latest video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, share my content with your friends, your families who have hair loss, those struggling with growing their hair after thinning or after childbirth. Some people lose their hair as a result of childbirth, as a result of stress, as a result of anything that can lead to hair loss or thinning or hair damage or breakage or whatsoever the hair problem could be. Just show them this video. I tell you guys, this butter we're about to make is going to improve the hair. It's going to improve the overall health of your hair. Just keep watching. Please watch till the end and see the magic. The magic we're about to make from this video. I tell you guys, oh my goodness, I can't wait for you to try it out at your house. Try it out and apply on your hair and leave a comment for me. I am so sure about what I am making right now. This is the best hair butter I've ever made. It improves my hair and that of my daughters in less than no time, I tell you. So continue watching, enjoy this video, and please try it out at home. This oil stays longer, it doesn't smell. It's the best oil you can ever have. Unlike other oil you've been trying that you have problem in storing them, especially when you live in a place where the power supply is not constant or you don't have a refrigerator. You need to really try out this oil. This oil stays longer than you can ever imagine. You can use it, you can apply it on your hair daily. You can apply it on your hair while you want to braid your hair or make your hair. You can just apply it on your hair and leave it. It is all encompassing. This oil is so amazing. Can you see that we just extracted that pure oil? Oh guys, just keep watching. That's the magic. We're about to make one big magic right now. This big magic, look at that. Oh guys, just keep watching, enjoy the video, and don't leave so soon. We're about to transform something. We're about to make something great. Something awesome. All right guys, keep watching and don't forget again to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I love you. Keep watching.